Hi, and welcome. Thanks for joining us. Tonight, we are in Minnie Mansion, a themed vacation home located in Champions Gate Resort. So come along with us as we check this home out.
We can't wait to show you this house. Welcome to the Minnie Mansion. Let's head on inside and take a look around.
This house has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a game room with the world's largest Pac-Man, and your own pool.
Mickey, you should most definitely play that card. Before we show you some of the bedrooms and the game room, let me show you some of the other features of this home. So right here you have a wonderful living room area, complete with an LED fireplace, as well as a large television that you and your family can take in a movie and relax. And right over here, of course, is a dining room table, in which case you can enjoy dinner with your family or even just play a game. And then right over here is a fully equipped kitchen with plenty of Mickey decor, including this Mickey telephone that actually works. If we head right outside here, you have your own private pool. So over here we have a television with just a table set up so you and the family can sit down and enjoy a lovely evening outside. And of course, like I said, here is your own private pool with a hot tub. Very nice. And there's even some games that you can play out here.
So the first bedroom we're going to show you is down here to the left. While it is not themed, it's still just as beautiful. Look at this. This is so cute. I love the pillows. This looks so comfortable. And you even have your own private bathroom.
As we leave the first bedroom and we walk over here by the dining room area and then right past the kitchen, we head over to the left here. We'll enter into another non-themed bedroom, but this is just so cozy and quaint. And it's wonderful. And look, it even comes with its own bathroom. So now that we've shown you the downstairs bedrooms and the pool, let's go ahead and check out the game room. As we exit this bedroom, we'll pass by the kitchen and come right here by the living room area, head down the hall towards the front door. We'll enter this door right here, and first we're greeted by a washer and a dryer. But as we enter into this door, now we've entered into the game room, and check this out. It lights up. We've got a foosball game. We've got a gaming system here. We've got basketball. There's an air hockey game over here, and the world's largest Pac-Man. So that's everything on the bottom floor. Let's head on up and see what there is upstairs. So I do love these stairs. As you head up, it has all these different sayings and quotes from some of the different Disney movies and things like that. That is really fun.
So before we show you the bedrooms, I have to show you this bathroom. It is Little Mermaid themed, and it is literally like you are under the sea. How adorable. Like, I love this. And you have Prince Eric and Flounder and Sebastian.
So we'll exit the Little Mermaid bathroom and, 3 guesses as to what room this is. It is a Toy Story themed bedroom. This is really cool. Look at this Etch-a-Sketch. It's the television, but it looks like an Etch-a-Sketch. That is so awesome. It has a twisty slide going down from the top bunk. That's so much fun. Hey Woody, how you doing? And I love this. Look at this. It's kind of like AstroTurf right there. It's kind of like you're sleeping in like a barn with grass and everything. That is really fun. But if you look at these string lights, check this out. They light up. That is truly awesome. We'll exit the Toy Story room, and before we show another bedroom, I do want to show you this. Notice how all around are these different movie posters. That's because right here in the main living room area on the top floor is the Main Street Theater. So here is where you can sit and enjoy a wonderful movie with you and the family. So straight away from the Main Street Theater, if we just head into this room, we have another just wonderful full-size bedroom that just looks so relaxing. This one does come with its own shower and a spa bathtub. How incredible is that? So we'll exit this bedroom here and we'll head back down the hallway, and you can probably guess what kind of bedroom we'll be walking into here. Look at this. Check this out. This is a Peter Pan themed bedroom. And these beds, they're shaped like boats. And it even looks like they're on a dock. That is so awesome. And now check this out. If we turn the lights off, in the sky, we've got stars. And over here, the lamps light up for you. That is so cool. But even watch this, the water lights up. So these boats just really look like they're floating on the water. This is amazing.
Now we're gonna head through the Peter Pan room into this Jack and Jill bathroom, over to the last bedroom, which is a princess room. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. It looks just like Cinderella's castle, and it has a slide. How cool. And it is also a bunk bed. You have 2 beds up top and 2 beds down below. You have a tunnel that you can crawl through. Oh my gosh. And then there's even stars on the ceiling. This room is truly an awesome place for a princess.
So that's it. We want to thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this tour of this wonderful home.
We would like to thank Great Escape Villas for letting us come in tonight and show you around. If you would like to stay in the Minnie Mansion, all of the information will be in the description below.